Welcome everybody. What we're going to do after you like, comment, and subscribe, and I want you to comment your price prediction for ADA Cardano for 2030. Okay, so this is going to be a fun video. Nothing is financial advice. This is an educational, fun video, okay? Highly speculative, all right? I don't need to hear in the comments that I'm crazy. I already know that, okay? So we're gonna have fun. I know you guys love this kind of stuff. And again, I'm just gonna be as authentic and as honest as I can. And I'm gonna give you guys my 2030 Cardano price prediction. Now, a couple things to keep in mind. We don't know exactly what's gonna happen. The 2025 price prediction I've done, that's probably gonna be more accurate. But what we're going to do is imagine that Bitcoin has had two bull runs. Okay. So 2024, which is next year in April, that's when the next Bitcoin halving is. And let's say there's a bull run, scarce, and right, the supply, there's not very much more. So we're going to get into some of that. And in 2028, there's going to be another bull run, supposedly after another halving. And we're in 2030, so that's what we're going to imagine. So a couple things to go over. Number one, we will have a video that will be uploaded here as well. We will have a Polygon-matic price prediction. So I just recorded that video. If you want to find out my Moose prediction for 2030 for Matic, you're going to have to subscribe. All right. So for those of you that don't know, the price of the token is the circulating supply divided by the market cap. So if you divide 35 billion by 9 billion, you will get 26 cents. Okay. So we got a little calculator. This is for simple math. We're not going to be plugging in crazy numbers. We're going to round things up and do an estimate. So again, this is a fun video, and I really want you to all put down your price predictions, okay? So 2025, I've done a video previously. So if we go here, definitely check out these videos. I have a price prediction, and I believe, I'm trying to remember what the actual price prediction was. That's a good question. I believe it was about $6, something like that. Yeah, I believe it was about $6. So basically, I'm pretty sure it's where Bitcoin's market cap is today. So, for example, let's round up and just say we're at a $10 billion market cap. Okay. So we'll do 500. We're just going to keep the math super simple. I don't need to hear about how dumb my math skills are. I already know. So we'll do, for simplicity, we will do 500 divided by, let's just say 9. I think 9's closer, right? Yeah. So we got 55.55. So I could definitely see us going very high, but that seems pretty high for next bull run. So I'm pretty certain that in that video I talked about a $200 billion market cap. So I was like, what, yeah, that would be closer to like what, 10-20x. So let's do 200. Might as well just do divided by 9. So we got 22 times the price. Okay. So let's do 22 times 0.26. So it's a $5.77. And again, the circulating supply of Cardano will be a little bit higher. So we'll probably, by the time 2030 hits, we'll probably be, what, 36 to 37 billion in supply. So We could check out these numbers here as well. But basically what I just did is, if we were to be at a 200 billion market cap, the price of Cardano would be $5.77 based on the same circulating supply that we have right now. Okay. Now, if we get to what I think will be, and I know it sounds crazy, but I think we could be at where Bitcoin is today. So a $500 billion market cap, that would be, well, it'd be twice that, right? So what we could do is 500, and again, divided by 9 would be 55 times the price today. So that's 55.55. Let's just say the supply is the same. Let's just say the supply is the same. So we have that. That would be $14.44 by 2030. Okay. And you know that does sound like a lot. It does sound like a lot, but it is very possible. It is very, very possible. So 14.44, and again, you could imagine that we got 500 billion in market cap divided by, let's say we're at 37 billion in supply, 13.51. So between $11 and $14, let's call it. And I think that's pretty accurate. I think that's very possible. So Bitcoin, if the market cap of Cardano is where Bitcoin is today, you would see a $13, $14 Cardano, right? So that's just based on my math. I know my math skills are awful, but you know. The max supply, 45 billion ADA. So we're only at 77%, right? So again, that's where the big fluctuation will happen. But there is a finite supply, right? And, you know, you could really take advantage of the, I guess, how would I put it? You could really take advantage of the staking right now. Especially you got the Dega ISPO. You could get access to different tokens that haven't even come out yet. So comment down below. Do you guys agree? It looks like I'm between $11 and $14 by 2030. So comment down below. Did the moose get loose enough? Or, you know, is he just right? We don't know. So check out the channel. Check out the other price prediction videos. Comment down below if you enjoyed this one. We also have a free Cardano mini course. It will take you step by step to become a legendary Cardano collector and investor. So that's all we have for you all. This is, if you're not buying now, I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. I bought right here. I mean, pretty much at the bottom. Let's see this. On the year, we're down 38%. That's, I don't know if that's year to date or not. So that would be from, what is that, last September? And on the month, we're down 15%. We're still going lower, but this could be the bottom. We don't know. This could have been the bottom. That's all we have for you all. Hopefully you enjoyed that.